Het julle nou al die boksies?
Ja,
Ja.
van die omhoog.
Ja, lekker.
Maar net inbring. I don't know who opened for us this morning, but do you have a key for it to lock it?
Ja, vanmorgen. And what I want to do is just connect quickly to the unit. Okay. It could be that my Ethernet is not correct. I must just quickly see. Okay. Yes. Here's the devices. Here's it. Ethernet. Rocket key.
So does that mean even on our system that you gave us, we just have to make sure our Ethernet
Yeah.
is okay.
Here's it.
That.
In the robot.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm just going to make a backup so that I have got it. I just want to see there's a see backup. So I can do a lot of things in here. I can online monitor, I can see everything. What is on
What's going on there?
Mhm. You can do the whole
That's the
program.
platform.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm just saying which robot is it. I think it's that one, or is it that one? I think it is this one. It's a C. Okay, let's take this one.
Okay. There we go. Setting the stick.
What do you see?
Yeah.
Exactly like your robot. Exactly how it stands.
Wow.
Yes.
But other simulation wouldn't be exactly the same. You guys made it exactly
This
the
is
same.
the best simulation tool for a
Yeah.
robot. Nobody else has got such a simulation tool.
No.
So everything that you've got here, now just to show you quickly,
Okay.
if you want to create your own systems now,
Yes.
you can create your own, and you can play with your own robot simulation.
Okay.
Okay, I've got now what I want, I'm just going to open it again.
Okay.
I open Robot Studio. Just make sure that you got this.
Okay. This
Because this I can give you guys. Yeah. Robot Studio.
Robot Studio.
Yeah,
Okay.
just make sure. I think I did send it to you, but I'm not 100% sure now. You must just go and have a look.
Okay. So when did you send it to his email?
What was his name?
Lituano.
Yeah. Okay, now look here. In Robot Studio, I can create my own systems and everything. There is all the robots that you can find.
Okay.
All the robots that you get. There's all the collaborative robots. There's all the other robots. There is the paint robots. There's the welding positioners. There's our trucks. There's our mobile robot. So now, for example, I want to get a small robot. There's it. I can select it. Boom. Okay. There
Right
it is.
there.
Now, I can then easily say, okay, I want this robot,
Okay.
and now I switch it on. I say, as soon as it starts to get green here, then this robot is healthy like a real robot. I can program it like the real one. I will show you.
Wow.
I must just wait for that to be green.
Control. Okay. Wow. You guys took it to another level, eh?
I just want to see it. This there. Maybe that will wait for it. Now I want you to look at something.
Okay.
Like jogging.
Or talking.
Okay, that's now that. And I'm going to show you now. I'm going to go to the teach spender. Yeah. Controller. Teach spender.
Yes.
What do you see?
Say. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly the same.
So now you can go to the jogging menu. What do you see? It looks identical.
Exactly.
Now, just look here quickly. Now, I want to move this robot. I'm just going to move this robot quickly to here. Okay? Like that.
Alright.
You see, it's exactly the same.
Exactly that setup there.
Okay. Now I want to move the robot. This, they call it the enabling device.
Lightning device, okay.
If you press this, you can move the robot.
Oh,
So-
like a chalking
Yeah.
system, okay.
Now I press it. There's my enable. I press it.
Okay.
Okay, but first I must put the robot in manual mode.
Okay. Oh yeah. That's a chalking mode, yeah.
No, okay, now I put enable. And see now what happens. I move this robot. I can move the robot. I can do everything. Just like a real robot.
Yes. Yeah.
And I can program the robot. Yes. If you go to the programming mode,
Okay.
you go to home, you go to job, you go in there, and now I say where the robot is now, I'm
Okay.
going to say I want that position. Now I say move J,
Okay.
and I say add. That is my new position where this robot is now.
Okay.
Now I move the robot to a new position. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, there. Now I say, okay, I want this new position.
Yeah, that's right.
Go. I say move J. Say add. Now I go to a new position. I'm turning my joystick to go down. Okay? Now I say, I want that position. I say move J.
Okay.
Say add. And now I'm going to run between those three positions. Look now.
Yes, okay.
Maar hier is 4 op.
Nah.
Dit gaan nie werk. Okay. En dan het ons ook hierdie. Is dit baie goed, maar waar skroef ek dit in? Okay. Dan
Okay?
Okay.
And now I press play.
dan het ons
So you
hierdie.
can play with those three positions. Oh, this simulation is the best simulation I've ever seen.
This is exactly
Yes,
what
yes.
you will get at.
Yeah. Oh.
Exactly.
Oh.
So what you do here is what's
It's gonna
going on
happen
here.
there.
Wil jy
Wow.
ek weet nie.
Yeah. I like this one.
Okay, so this is what you guys get.
Okay.
Okay, so I've got everything I need now to go further on to make sure that I can help you.